Why every professional preferred. EB2 NIW US Visa.
Benefits and chances of EB2 NIW for all professionals. Short, brief and professional guide for applicants.
Pakistani applicants under EB2 National Interest Waiver, NIW. Pakistan in top 10 for NIW approvals. 200 approvals yearly, almost equal to 3% of global total. Success rate, 80-90%. Pakistani diaspora, 684K plus in the US. Rising applicants in STEM, health and business sectors. Insight. Though India and China lead in numbers, Pakistan's growing approval rate shows strong potential for qualified professionals meeting national interest standards.
Why EB2 NIW Visa? Benefits and chances. Confirm you qualify for EB2. A. Advanced degree, master's or higher, or bachelor plus 5 years progressive experience, or B. Exceptional ability in sciences, arts, business. Collect diplomas, transcripts, employment letters showing progressive experience. Allows skilled professionals or advanced degree holders to obtain U.S. permanent residency. No employer sponsorship required under the NIW National Interest Waiver category. Provides a faster route to a U.S. green card compared to many other visa types. Lets you live, work, and study anywhere in the United States permanently. Enables you to sponsor your spouse and unmarried children under 21 for green cards. Recognizes Pakistani professionals, researchers, and entrepreneurs contributing to U.S. national interests. Offers career flexibility, you can change jobs or start your own business. Reduces dependency on the U.S. labor market or employer restrictions. Opens eligibility for U.S. citizenship after 5 years of permanent residence. Provides access to better education, healthcare, and global career opportunities for your family. Step 1. Confirm EB2 NIW base visa eligibility profile check, self-assessment, or you can do this via your immigration counselor. Easy self-assessment first asks you qualify for EB2. A. Advanced degree, master's or higher, or bachelor plus 5 years progressive experience, or B. Exceptional ability in sciences, arts, business. Collect diplomas, transcripts, employment letters showing progressive experience. Tips: gather diplomas, transcripts, and verified job experience letters. Step 2. Prepare EB2 NIW case with your professional immigration firm or counselor. Build evidence for the 3 Dhanasar prongs. The Dhanasar prongs refer to the 3-part test established in the landmark 2016 U.S. immigration case matter of Dhanasar, which defines how applicants can qualify for a National Interest Waiver, NIW, under the EB2 visa category. National importance: show how your work benefits the U.S., research, innovation, impact. Strong background: prove you're qualified and capable to continue the work successfully. Waiver justification: explain why your project's value to the U.S. justifies skipping the job offer. Tip: use updated, verified documents and credible recommendation letters to strengthen your case.
Step 3. Prepare I-140 package and supporting docs. Fill Form I-140, Immigrant Petition for Worker. Attach a cover letter summarizing your NIW justification, national importance, merit, and U.S. benefit. Include supporting evidence, CV, degrees, and employment letters, publications, citations, patents, grants, media coverage, recommendation and organizational endorsement letters. Fill Form I-140, Immigrant Petition for Worker. Proof of impact and professional contribution. Pay the USCIS filing fee and send to the appropriate service center. If represented, include Form G28, Attorney Notice. Tip: Keep all documents well organized with a clear table of contents for easy USCIS review. Step 4. Review and decision process of USCIS. Adjudication of Form I-140 review. USCIS adjudication of Form I-140 review. USCIS will evaluate your entire petition, including all evidence and supporting documentation. Possible outcomes. Approval. Petition accepted and processing continues. RFE. Request for evidence. Additional documentation required. Denial. Petition not approved. Can appeal or refile. USCIS adjudication of Form I-140 review. If an RFE, request for evidence, is issued, respond quickly with clear, credible, and comprehensive supplemental evidence. Processing times vary by service center and petition type. Verify current estimates on the USCIS website. Premium processing for NIW cases may become available or paused periodically. Check USCIS updates before applying. Tips. Track your case status regularly on the USCIS Case Status Portal. Keep digital and physical copies of all submissions and USCIS correspondence. Respond to any USCIS notice within the stated deadline to avoid delays or denial. Step 5. Visa availability. Check priority date and visa bulletin. USCIS or NVC checks if a visa number is available for your category and country by comparing your priority date with the visa bulletin. Visa number availability, priority date and visa bulletin. Your priority date is same as your I-140 filing date. After I-140 approval, wait until the visa bulletin shows your final action date as current for your category and country. Check the monthly visa bulletin on the U.S. Department of State website. USCIS adjudication of Form I-140 review. When your date becomes current. If in the U.S. file Form I-485, adjustment of status. If outside the U.S. proceed with consular processing via NVC and your local U.S. consulate. Tips. Track the visa bulletin monthly. Dates can move forward or backward. Keep all documents ready to act quickly once your date is current. Avoid job or address changes without updating USCIS or NVC to prevent delays. Step 6. Adjustment of status of Form I-485 or consular prerogatives ON processing timelines as per physical availability. If you're in the US, then following protocols will be followed under predefined adjustment of status. File Form I-485 once your priority date is current. Submit supporting documents, medical exam, photos, ID, etc. Attend biometrics, fingerprinting, appointment. USCIS may schedule an interview. Upon approval, you'll receive your green card. If you're outside the US, all done via consular processing. NVC, National Visa Center, collects all civil and financial documents. Schedule and attend your immigrant visa interview at the US consulate. Complete required medical examination by an approved panel physician. If approved, enter the US on your immigrant visa. Your green card will be mailed to your US address after entry. Step 7. What happens after case approval? If I-485 approved, now you officially become a US permanent resident. Green card issued, mailed to your US address within a few weeks. If consular visa approved, enter the US using your immigrant visa. Your green card will arrive by mail soon after entry or as and when you reached US. Keep all records secured, approval notices, visa stamps, and USCIS correspondence. Check circumstances and conditions for other attainable documents as U.S. permanent resident. Some cards, for example, marriage-based, are conditional, 2 years. File to remove conditions before expiry. Maintain residency in U.S. Stay primarily in the U.S. as much as possible. Avoid long absences abroad, over 6 months. File U.S. taxes as a law-obedient resident. Things avoid to do and be vigilant about this. Once attained visa, follow these things. Are tips. Tips: once become a permanent resident of U.S. Renew your green card before expiration, usually valid for 10 years. Apply for U.S. citizenship after meeting residency requirements, typically 5 years. Keep multiple copies of your green card and approval notice for future filings or employment verification. Practical timeline and processing time note. I-140 adjudication can range from months to a year or more depending on service center and backlog. RFEs extend timelines. Check USCIS processing times for the specific form and center. Visa number wait could be short for many countries, but for high-demand countries, India, sometimes China, waits can be several years. The monthly visa bulletin is the source of truth. 3 major prongs of EB2 NIW Danasar test. The Danasar test is the legal standard USCIS uses to decide if someone qualifies for a National Interest Waiver, NIW, under the EB2 visa category. It allows applicants to skip the job offer and labor certification requirement if their work benefits the United States. 3 major and important prongs of EB2 NIW Danasar test. Substantial merit and national importance. Your work must have clear value and benefit the U.S., e.g., in science, health, business, technology, or education. Well positioned to advance the work. You must show you have the skills, background, and record of achievements to successfully carry out your proposed work. Benefit to the U.S. Without job offer. Waiving the job offer and labor certification should benefit the U.S., meaning your work's impact outweighs the need for a specific employer. Thanks for watching and understanding the entire step-by-step process to attain EB2 NIW High in Demand. For further assistance and expert advice, please connect with us or appoint us as professional immigration counselor to pursue your case in professional manners with transparency. Mewish Khan, Karu Immigration, Karachi, Pakistan.